Hello book lovers! So today I wanted to do a review, but this is going to be more like a book talk than an actual review, because I really wanted to recommend those books to you if you haven't read them already, and I really loved those books, so they were amazing. What a great book! It was, I think, the best book I read from the start of 2014, and I really had to recommend those books to you because they're so amazing. Angel Fall and World After by Susan E. I read Angel Fall last year and I really loved that, and I've just finished World After and I loved that even more than Angel Fall, and I really loved Angel Fall. I have a problem with covers. I think that I've already told you that, and I hate this. When this happens, I really hate it. But books are great, so there is nothing we can do about it. So in case you're not familiar with what Angel Fall is about, I'm going to give you a brief summary and maybe make you pick this book up and read it because it's really great, as I've already said many times from the start of this review. Basically, this is a book about angel apocalypse, and this is the story about a girl named Penryn, and she's traveling with her mother and her sister, and in the first book her sister has been kidnapped and Penryn is trying to save her, and she managed to rescue a warrior angel. And if you are not familiar with the story in these books, I'll have to tell you that angels are enemies of the human race and that they have come to kill all the people and to start the apocalypse. And after Penryn rescued this warrior angel called Rafe, they started traveling together, and we can see a lot of their adventures on the road. She is traveling with a purpose to rescue her sister from another angel. It really is a great story. And although I like the second half of this book more than the first half, the whole book was really great. Everything is explained later on, so I can't really tell you much about it because you have to read this book to find out. But I really thought that the explanation was really good. And this book is dark. If you've seen any of my previous videos, then you'll know that I really like my books to be dark. Then the second book, I didn't really want to pick it up the second I got it because I was really annoyed because of the covers, and I was also annoyed because I thought that this is a sticker and it isn't. It is just like that, and I really hate that. But then I decided to read this book because I really wanted to know what will happen next. I found some reviews on Goodreads saying that the first book was better, and in my opinion the sequel was even better than the first book. I don't agree with those reviews because this is probably one of the best sequels I have ever read, and I really loved it. So what I wanted to tell you about it, that it is even darker and even creepier than the first book. Although it wasn't really too dark. I think that you could easily read it even if you don't like dark books. But it was dark and it was creepy, and I'll have to say that because I have to warn you. I loved how all the characters developed, and I also loved all the interactions we could see between those family members, between Penryn and her mother and sister, and that was really great because we didn't get to see a lot of that in the first book, but we could see that in the second book. Then at the end of this book a lot of things are left open, but I really didn't mind because I know that the third book is coming. I'm not sure when, but I can't wait. this book had some really funny moments and I love that, and I'll just have to tell you two words: Bookie Bear. And if you want to find out what Bookie Bear is, then you'll have to read this book, because I laughed so much and I really love that when the book makes me laugh. And it's dark and it makes me laugh, and what could you wish more from a book? I mean, those two, it's a perfect combination. I heard that this is going to be a series of books, of 5 books, and I really think that it is a good change, because a lot of books nowadays seems to be trilogies, and I really think that this can be a lot bigger story, and this could really be huge. And I really love the first book. The second book was even better, and I really think that the third book is going to be even better than the first two, because I just have a feeling, and this is a really great book. So that would be it. That's all I wanted to tell you, and this is more like a recommendation video, so I really hope that if you read those books that you would love them as much as I did. They were just like my cup of tea. Everything I like was in those books. The kind of humor, darkness, angel apocalypse, and I think those are maybe one of the best angel books I've ever read, and I'm really sorry about that, but I didn't really like a lot of angel books that I've read so far, and I'm really looking forward to reading the third book and the rest of the series when it comes out. And I'm not sure when that will be, but I'll buy those books and I'll have them on my bookshelf. So that would be it for my today's recommendation, and I really hope that you liked my video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in one of my next videos.